Hi guys, this is Biswajit Tripathi and welcome to my next video on ESP8266 Wi-Fi model programming. So in last video we talked about how to configure the device and how to upload programs in it. Okay, and today we'll see how to configure this device as a HTTP server. Okay, so my voice is little bit rough today, but I'll try my best to explain you in a better way. Okay, so let's start now. So this Wi-Fi it is a Wi-Fi IoT board. Last time I have shown you. So IoT is nothing but Internet of Things, where all the devices and appliances can be connected over the internet, so that we can control, monitor and see the status of the connected devices, or we can say it as smart devices. Okay, and HTTP server, it used to serve the web pages. Okay, and it's an internet protocol, where you can uh, communicate client with the server and distribute information over the network. Okay, so let's say we want to connect to a HTTP server. Okay, so what do you need first? I'll give one simple analogy here. So let's say I want to go to my friend's home. Okay, so first I need to know about the address of that home. Okay, and then once I reach to the address, then what we need to know, I need to know in which room my friend is located, right? So similarly, when we try to connect the server from client, then we have to need to know the address, which will be IP address here. And uh, and to connect to that particular server, we need to know the port number, which will be similar to the room number to which my friend is located, right? So okay, we'll start now. So the two things we need to know, which is the IP and port number. Okay, so starting with the programming part, here I have mentioned the header file. Okay, so then I have created an object server of class Wi-Fi server. Okay, and it is connected over the port 80, which is the default port for HTTP. Okay, and here I want to control the two onboard LEDs through pin 2 and 16. Okay, so I'll show you means how to on and turn off from a web page, right? So then I am just configuring this Wi-Fi model as a access point here through Wi-Fi.mode Wi-Fi underscore AP. Okay, and here I am using soft access point. So here is my user ID, SSID demo underscore user, and this is the password I have given. Okay, so it can be connected through station mode or soft access point mode. Okay, so the basic difference is, in station mode, in case you want to connect to your Wi-Fi adapter to the routers, right? So then the Wi-Fi adapter will act as a client. But here I want a Wi-Fi adapter to create a network by itself. Okay, where any other wired connection or any other Wi-Fi device to be connected to that particular network. Okay, so here my Wi-Fi device will uh, uh, act as an access point and will create a network through which to which all other wired connection or any other Wi-Fi device can be connected. Okay, so here my server will be a Wi-Fi device and the client will be my personal computer. Okay, so then I have started the server. Okay, and here I am printing the IP address to my serial monitor, which we can see from tools, then the serial monitor. Okay, here, so if I click that, then you'll be able to see the IP address and the baud rate which I have defined here. This is the baud rate. Last time I have told you this is the bits per second, right? Okay, so just 1 second. It's been downloading the platform. I'll close it. Okay, so then I have to configure those two pins. Okay, so as I am writing the data to the configuring pins, so here I am configure those as output pins. Okay, and last time we discussed we need to send the low signal to the pin so that the LED can be turned on, because it is a, it works on negative triggered pulse. Okay, so it's done. Then we'll go to the request part. Okay, so here in program I have created a object client of class Wi-Fi client, okay, which is checking whether the server is available or not. Okay, so if it is not available, then return, and if it is available, then it will connect to that server. Okay, then I have created a variable request which will read the string until this slash r will come. Okay, so whenever we click on a button from web page, okay, it will try to send a string to a file. Okay, so whenever a string is append to that file, then automatically a slash r character will be appended. Okay, so I'll show you this program part. I'll make you understand. And this is a small program which I have written in HTML to view the web page. Okay, from where we'll control the Wi-Fi device. Okay, onboard LEDs. So coming to this program. Okay, is external noise. Okay, so in this HTML code I have created four button. Okay, one is for LED1, then LED1 off, then LED1, LED2 on, and LED2 off. Okay, so coming to the web page, I'll just show you how it is created. Okay, so see, there are four buttons. Okay, so whenever I click any button, okay, so it will go to that it will send a particular string to a file. Okay, so let's say I'm clicking on LED1. Okay, so what it will do, it will check L1 on, it will send a string L1 on to the file. Okay, if it is not error out, then it will send a write a data low signal data to LED1. So I have already told, whenever I send low signal to a LED, then it will turn on. Okay, so for any LED1 on or LED2 on, to make it on, I have sent the low signal, and to make it off, I have sent high signal. Okay, so that's how this program works. So now I'll show you a demo. Okay, how to connect to the Wi-Fi device and control the onboard lights. So now I'll just show you. I'll upload the program now. Okay, just 1 second. So now the program will be compiled and being uploaded. Once it is done, I'll show a simple demo. Okay, so now I'll show you how to connect. I'll connect to the Wi-Fi device now and through the internet. Okay, so I'm going to connect to demo user, which I have set up for this Wi-Fi device, right, through soft access point. Then connect. I've already entered the password, so maybe it will not ask me password. Oh yeah, now it is connected. So I'll go to browser and I'll try to log in to yeah, so this is the IP address. Now it is connected. See, these are the four buttons which I have already shown you, created here in this web page. Okay, so whenever I try to click on any LED, okay, then it will send a string, which I have already told you, which it will send a string to the server. Then it will work on the signal which I have already as it is programmed. So as it is programmed, by default both the onboard LEDs will be on. Okay, so I'll try to click on LED1 off. Okay, see, so now one LED goes off. So when I try to turn off the LED2, then it will also turn off. Are you able to see that? So let's say I'll turn on both the LEDs again. LED1 on, then LED2 on, LED1 off, and LED2 off. Or you can LED. I'll try again. LED1, LED2 on, then LED2 off. Okay, so that's how it works. And so next time we'll see how to control the brightness of this LED light by using PWM, and or you can control the speed of the motor as well, or you can control the volume of any audio devices. So we'll see that in next video. So till then, stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching this, and please like, comment, and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.